To customize your Todoist dashboard, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Todoist.com. Once you've arrived at the home page, log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you'll see your dashboard on the left side of the screen. From here, you can open and close the sidebar, add tasks, search your inbox, and view today's and upcoming tasks, as well as filters and labels. Your projects will also be listed, along with quick start templates for various tasks, such as appointments, productivity, and moving house. You can also add a team and browse templates, which include popular options like weekly review, project tracker, and templates based on productivity methods like getting things done and eat the frog. Additionally, you can find templates for personal and educational use. By exploring these features, you can tailor your Todoist dashboard to suit your needs and increase your productivity.